Oh yes, the IPO stock. But what does Benjamin Graham think about IPO stocks? Would it be a good value getting in early, or is this a trap? While reading The Intelligent Investor, I came across his opinion to this. He mentioned you should think about why a company is going public. And the reason, of course, is to get more money. And I get that's not surprising, but it's to get more money without issuing debt. Instead, you're giving away parts of the company. This book is written for the investors to profit off stocks and bonds, and not for companies to profit off of investors. Just like anyone selling anything, the seller typically wants to get as much money as possible. Take something simple like a person on eBay is trying to sell Pokemon cards. The seller wants to make as much cash out of the exchange as possible, while the buyer will look for an item that fulfills what he wants and at the lowest price. It's just the same as a company issuing a stock to investors. The company wants to get as much cash out of the deal as possible. They are the sellers, whereas the investors, on the other hand, are the buyers. But what might be the worst part of buying right after an IPO is the slap in the face that the typical investors like yourself and myself aren't even the ones getting the best pricing. We typically get the more inflated price compared to what the other investors, which were earlier on, got to purchase the company for. And this is why Benjamin Graham in The Intelligent Investor said that an alternative name for IPO could probably be, it's probably overpriced. Thus, he was saying that in most cases, IPO stocks aren't worth it. But as with most things, it'll need to be looked at on a case-by-case basis. If you're interested in learning more about the Intelligent Investor or security analysis, I have a 3-part series that goes pretty in-depth about the review of what I learned from both books, separated into 3 parts. Please subscribe if you enjoyed these finance videos. I make all kinds of topics that I think people can learn from and find appealing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode.